welcome to Faire Live. My name is Cynthia Fleming, and today we're going to talk about getting on the right track. What is driving you to succeed? How do you feel about it? Do you feel like strong, like nothing can stop you? This is always what I wanted to do with myself, and nothing is gonna stand in my way? Or do you feel weak, like you could be swayed? Well, if that's you, I want to tell you, let go of the past. Let go of the guilt. Whatever you tried didn't work. Let go of the fear that you might fail. So, what things are you working for? Let's think about the tangible things, like maybe you want to buy your mom a new car, house, or the intangible things, like you want to be able to have more experiences with your family. Who are you actually working hard for? Is it your family? Are you trying to quiet your critics, maybe? What about those people that have always been in your corner? Well, let me ask you this. What are you willing to give up to get it? What bad habits are you willing to break? What good habits are you willing to form? What about the excuses? Are you willing to invest money in yourself? Remember, in order for things to change, you have to first change. You need to build relationships, connect with people, deliver what they're wanting. You need to evaluate constantly what you're doing and why you're doing it. You've got to set your priorities straight, and you've got to involve those who you love. After all, when you are in your office for hours at a time, working on your business, working on your videos, your social media, the family is not being, they're kind of being neglected in a way. I know you're doing all of this for them, but you just have to remember that they're an important part of the process. You want to make sure that everyone involved is aware of your goals, your mindset, and your resolve. Are you really dedicated to see this through? Or is this just a passing phase, a hobby? Or is it really going to be a steady and building change for you? Think about that. I know one of the things that has always helped me has been turning inward, shutting out the naysayers, shutting out everything, and just becoming mindful of who I am and what I aim to do. Everybody is put here for a reason. You do have a purpose. You just have to figure it out. It may be hard, and who knows? You may have several purposes, all of which may not be related to what you're trying to do right now. But I want to encourage you. Don't give up. Think about where you are. Get your mind right, and you will be able to accomplish your goals. I hope you enjoyed today's Faire Live. I hope it motivated you in some small way. If it did, please hit the subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you on the next Faire Live.
Where we went wrong. Think of what else I could have done, would have given.